Hey everyone, welcome back to the Turing Test Podcast. I'm Jamie, and with me as always is the ever-so-witty Rachel.
Oh, please, Jamie. You know I'm the star of this show.
Right. The star who can't even remember to charge her mic before we start recording.
Okay, fair point, but let's get into it. Today we're diving into the recent changes surrounding Claude Dev, which has now rebranded to Cline.
Yeah, it's been quite the buzz lately, hasn't it? I mean, Klein is really stepping up its game, and it's fascinating to see how it's evolving.
Totally. So, for those who might not be in the loop, Cline is this powerful open-source code assistant that works with various large language models. It's like having a coding buddy who's always there to help you out.
Exactly. And the features they've rolled out are pretty impressive. I mean, real-time streaming responses? That's a big deal.
Right? It's like they're trying to make coding feel less like a chore and more like a conversation.
Yeah, because we all know how much you love talking to your code, Rachel.
Hey, I talk to my plants too, doesn't mean I'm weird.
Fair enough. But seriously, the way Klein is refining its system prompts is a game changer for developers. It's all about clarity and effectiveness now.
Yeah, and let's not forget the XML-based prompt engineering. That's a whole new level of customization.
Right. It's like they're giving developers the keys to the kingdom. But, with great power comes great responsibility.
Oh, here we go with the ethics talk.
No, I'm not going there. Just saying that it's important to use these tools wisely.
Okay, I'll let you off the hook this time. But let's talk about the impact this could have on the industry.
For sure. I mean, with tools like Klein, we could see a shift in how coding is taught. Imagine classrooms where students are collaborating with AI to learn coding concepts.
That's a cool thought. It could really democratize coding. But, do you think it might make some traditional coding skills obsolete?
Well, I think there's always going to be a need for foundational knowledge. You can't just rely on AI to do everything for you.
True, but it could definitely change the landscape. I mean, look at how far we've come with AI in general.
Right. And speaking of AI, did you catch that news about the latest advancements in generative AI?
Oh, you mean the one where they're using AI to create art?
Exactly. It's like we're living in a sci-fi movie.
Yeah, but I'm still waiting for my flying car.
Aren't we all? Anyway, back to Klein. The iterative development process they've implemented is really interesting.
Oh, for sure. It's like pair programming, but with an AI twist.
Yeah, and I think that's going to help a lot of non-coders feel more comfortable diving into coding.
Definitely. It's like having a personal developer who's always available.
Unlike you, who's always busy when I need help.
Touché, but seriously, I think Klein's approach to user experience is really commendable.
Agreed. And the transparency they're promoting is refreshing. It builds trust with users, which is crucial.
Right? It's like they're saying, hey, we're here to help, not to replace you.
Exactly. And that's a message that resonates with a lot of developers.
So before we continue, just a quick shout out to Augmented AI, the producer of the Turing Test Podcast. Augmented AI hosts a variety of cutting-edge training and consultations in AI business, generative AI, large language models, and AI vision. You can get the free AI in Business Handbook when it gets released at www.augmentedstartups.com.
Yeah, definitely check that out. It's a great resource for anyone looking to dive deeper into the world of AI.
So back to Klein. I'm really curious about how this will affect the job market for developers.
That's a hot topic. I mean, will we see a decrease in demand for junior developers?
Possibly, but I think it could also create new roles that we haven't even thought of yet.
Right, like AI trainers or prompt engineers.
Exactly. It's all about adapting to the changes.
And let's not forget the potential for collaboration between humans and AI.
Yeah, it's like we're entering a new era of coding.
Just don't forget to invite me to your AI-powered coding parties.
Only if you promise to bring snacks.
Deal. But seriously, I think the future looks bright for developers who embrace these tools.
Totally. It's all about leveraging technology to enhance our skills, not replace them.
Well said. And I think that's a great note to wrap up on.
And lastly, don't forget to check out Augmented AI. I'm quite excited for their AI in Business Handbook that they'll be releasing soon at augmentedstartups.com. See you next time.